This will be your first look, a moment for you to take in what's been created. This is the car we have transformed for one lucky buyer. The MODEDESIGN 10th anniversary BMW M2 G87 is complete. From a factory-delivered 0-kilometre BMW M2 collected directly from BMW to the one-off project you see here today. From every little detail, from the wheels, the brakes, the carbon fibre, the daytime running lights, to the intake and further enhancements. This is the accumulation of 10 years of Mode's dedication and attention to detail to the BMW platform. This isn't the full reveal. This is just your first look. Now, we want to hear from you. Where should the car go next? One thing's locked in. You'll be seeing this car this October at the BMW Superfest held at Sydney Motorsport Park. And after the Superfest, this car will be auctioned off on Collecting Cars for one lucky person, giving one person the chance to own the only one in the world. MODEDESIGN 10th anniversary BMW M2 G87. This is just the beginning of its story. Thanks for following the build. We'll see you at the big reveal.